Okay guys, here we go. I got a little update here. I'm trying to figure out how to get a radiator with the electric fan in here. This radiator that's here was one that I'd bought when it had the 289 in it. Now that I got the 5.0, I need to get a radiator in it that I'm also going to put an electric fan in it. From this point right here where the radiator is going to mount to this little nipple here, which is on the water pump, is about 5.5 inches. So I got to shove a radiator and electric fan in so I have enough clearance. Now looking online, I've got, ranging from about 5 1/4 to 5 3/4. So obviously I'm going to have to do some type of modification. Now this little nipple here, if I grind that down a little bit to match these bolts here, I can get about 1/4 inch there. Now I have a couple solutions that I'm thinking about. Is I can kind of notch this area right in here to get these to slide back down on the front side, which would be right here, and then maybe use some spacers. My only concern is when I put my air conditioner condenser in here, if I'm going to have enough room to do that. I think I should be okay to do that. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out what exactly I'm going to do here. I also have the option of maybe if the radiator I'm going to buy has this type of bracket, is just cutting this bracket off, and then you can see once it sits here, I've got enough room for this to come back. I mean, I've got, right here where my finger is, that's about 1/2 inch right there. So if I move these brackets, cut them off and have them welded on about 1/2 inch here, that's going to push this radiator back. And I should be okay with my hood clearance, but I'll have to check all that out. So these are some concerns that I'm having with trying to get the radiator in here. I don't even think I could run this with a regular fan. I mean, I probably could, but I'd much rather have an electric fan. I'm going to have AC on this sucker, and Arizona heat or Texas heat, depending on where we're at. It would just be much better to have the electric fan in there. So just trying to brainstorm now, see what I can do. If anybody has any suggestions, what I might be able to do in this situation, or if you've gone through this, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I appreciate it.